the President of the Republic of Uganda, who I'm representing today. I officially launched.
They would want to join. Which kind of technology is used in Uganda?
Reviving and expanding our railway network to offer manufacturers and traders an alternative to road transport for goods. The standard gauge railway project remains a priority, and funds have been committed to this mega project. Once completed, it will provide a faster and more cost-effective way to transport goods between Uganda and our neighboring country.
The existing tax policies and aligning them with the NDP4 program, and remove archaic and unproductive laws that hinder growth. Some of these are the recent exercise duty on documents, the import duty on plastic raw material. The world is moving in that direction. We also implore you to address the tax audit delays that affect our neighbors, because URA has been coming to us after a long period